Hello my friends, I'm Professor Porto. I'm a plastic surgeon in Brazil and I'm very proud to be a member of the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. And I'm here to talk to you about this great academy. I think this is an opportunity for you to enter and to begin or improve your skills in aesthetic medicine, because I really think and believe that the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine is the best in the world, because we have a deep concept in theory and experience, a lot of teachers with skills and most of all experience. And not only this part, but especially because we give courses, hands-on courses, and you touch the patient, but begin with touch. You touch, we will analyze the patient for you, comparing treatments, and it's very, very, very practical. So, if you want to have a thing, mixtured theory and practice, the answer is American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine, the best in the world. We try to do the best for you, and we are waiting for you too. Thank you.